Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO Good Grips Nylon Flexible Turner. It's lightweight and feels good in your hand, a good grip. They have the steel here and like flexible nylon plastic here, which is good so it doesn't scratch your pot when you're spatulaing food. Let me show you that here. As you can see, you can get really down in there and scrape the food as you need to and not worry about scratching the non-stick off your food and getting the food good. So I like it. It's a pretty good tool for using in the kitchen. I hope this review helps.